Hey there, I'm David, and today I'm going to show you how to set up cart subtotal based discounts in WooCommerce using the Disco plugin. These are perfect for giving customers a little extra reward when they spend more, helping boost your average order value and sales at the same time. We're going to build two examples together. First, a percentage discount, 10% off when someone spends over $200. Second, a fixed amount discount, $20 off orders over $500. All right, let's dive in and set them up step by step. First things first, make sure the Disco plugin is installed and activated. From your WooCommerce dashboard, head to Disco. Our first one is 10% off spends over $200. Create a discount. Let's call this one 10% off over $200. For discount intent, choose cart, since this discount is based on the total cart value. Next up, we'll decide which products this discount should apply to. If you want it to work store-wide, just leave it set to all products. But if you're running a more targeted sale, choose few products and then search for what you need. For example, if you only want this discount on 5 hoodie products, just type hoodie in the search bar and select the exact ones you want. It's super quick and you have full control over exactly where your discount shows up. For this campaign, we will go with all products. Now, the user limit, if you leave this blank, anyone can use the discount as many times as they want. Important to know, for cart-based discounts, setting a specific user limit, such as only the first 100 customers get this deal, is a pro feature in Disco. So if you ever want to add that kind of limit, you'll need to upgrade to the pro version. Next up, set your start and end dates. Great for weekend sales, flash promos, or seasonal campaigns. Now, form discount type, choose percentage, and enter 10 as the value. After set the discount types and value, you'll see the discount label section. This is where you can add a short text that appears on the cart page right before the cart subtotal. For example, we can write something like, special 10% off just for you. It's a great way to make your offer stand out and feel more personal. Now go to conditions. Click Add Condition. Choose Cart Subtotal. Set it to greater than or equal and enter 200. That means the discount will only apply if the cart total hits $200 or more. Hit save and exit, and there it is. Our campaign is now live. Let's jump to the storefront and add to cart 2 products that value $200. You can see that as soon as the cart hits $200, the 10% discount is automatically applied. Also, you can see the discount labels here. If we remove any products from cart, the subtotal drops below $200 and the discount disappears just when we set it. Now let's do another one. This time, $20 off orders over $500 with a fixed discount. Back in Disco, click Create a Discount again. We'll name it $20 off over $500. Set the discount intent to cart again. We will go with all products. Leave the user limit blank so it's unlimited. Also can set the date as you need. Now for discount type, choose fixed discount and enter 20 as value, and then write the discount label if needed. Then go to conditions, click Add Condition, pick cart subtotal, set it to greater than or equal, and enter $500 as value. That means customers get $20 off if they spend $500 or more. Click Save and Exit. There it is. Our campaign is now live. Let's jump to the storefront and add to cart 3 products that value $500. You can see that cart hits $500 and the $20 fixed discount is automatically applied. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we created 2 cart subtotal based discounts, 1 percentage, 1 fixed amount, all with the Disco plugin. It's a quick, powerful way to encourage bigger orders and give customers a reason to add just a little bit more to their cart. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, hit subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.